What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, y'all? Yes, indeed. Back giving y'all some more real talking reactions of mine. And before I get y'all this reaction, y'all share, like, subscribe, and follow your boy. And if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop another video.
What's up, Lauren?
Hey Wayne,
What's up with you, my girl?
how are you?
Doing good. What about you?
I'm good. I'm sitting here and I just thought about something. I never even got a thank you for that vegan breakfast that I slaved over the kitchen for. Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. Thank you, my girl. I'm sorry. I thought I told you thanks, but if I didn't, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate that for real.
I mean, I thought you
Uh,
enjoyed it enough to be at least a little more impressed and at least tell me something about it, but
it's just a lot happening stuff, you know what I'm saying?
mm, well,
Yeah, it's just a lot happening. But I tell you this, I really thank you for real from the bottom of my heart. And you don't know how much that means to me. A lot of people could have did a lot of other things, but the fact that you took the time to really feed me, I really appreciate that. But I want to ask you, like, what made you really do that, though?
honestly, you're a hardworking man, and I feel like you just deserve that. It broke my heart to hear that nobody ever really took the time to do that for you before. I mean, that's a meal. That should be the last thing that you need to worry about. So, being able to come home to a woman in your kitchen taking care of you when you're taking care of everything else and everybody else, all your children, everything you got going on, the businesses, a meal, Wayne, come on. I just knew that was what you were missing. I knew that's what you needed.
Dang. Man, thank you, Lauren. Thank you. I can't say thank you enough. I owe you. Cause you don't know how much that meant to me. Cause I've been in relationships and did a lot of things for a lot of people, and I could count the meals that I've had.
I
I
can
could
tell.
count. I could count the meals that somebody took the time to really, and that's why, to be honest, Gina, that's why she ended up the one I married because out of everybody, she cooked for me the most. But
Mm.
when I became vegan, I could count them out. You almost don't count everybody with vegan meals in one meal, so I appreciate that, and I'm sorry for not thanking you, but I probably ain't saying the words, but I'm definitely gonna say it in my actions. I appreciate that.
Okay.
Thank you for thinking of me. All right.
I just want to make sure I felt that because, I don't know, it meant something to me and I hope it meant something to you too.
Nah, it really did. Like all jokes aside, I know we be laughing and joking and kiki and all that. I ain't calling you for no reason. You feel me? Even though I'm married to the game,
Mm.
you got the
Okay.
ability to change the game. You feel me? But I appreciate you. I'm sorry that I didn't tell you thank you, but I really appreciate you.
All right. I'll take it. You're welcome.
All right, be good.
All right, you too. Bye.
That was strategy as well. To be honest, I'm really loving to see the strategy, the plays that's being did. Wayne make a move, she make a move. Wayne make a move, she make a move. you know? And then every once in a while she'll get a good move on him. Okay, he'll think a little bit. Okay, he'll jump back, get a good move back on her. You know what I'm saying? Same way to happen. Okay, oh, he hit her with some good freestyling poetry, as he said, or as was said. You know, made her smile. Probably got her a little, moist. Anyway, you know, then she had to think about, oh, let me hit him back. And there you go. And it's keeping her attracted as far as him addressing and saying that the game can't change. So she's keeping that hope. He's keeping her with that hope in mind that, okay, you can make it to where You're my only one. You can. And like I've said before, you can't fault her for looking at what he needed and fulfilling what he needed. You can't. It's, you just can't. I don't. Yes, she was sneaky and devious on how she figured out and found out. And I had a comment that said that Wayne was flirting with Lauren while he still was with Tamara. I don't know if I saw that one. I honestly don't know if I saw that one. And I don't be understanding how when I pretty much watch all of Wayne skits, especially the ones that I'm interested in doing reactions on. As far as I remember, he didn't start flirting with her until after he broke up with her. Now, breaking up with her equals they're not together anymore. Just that simple. Now, if anyone knows beforehand, before them breaking up, before him saying this ain't gonna work, him flirting with Lauren, I would love to be corrected. I would love to be corrected, not just saying, oh, he did. Correct me on when, so I can go back and try to find it. But seduction is big. A lot of people need to learn more seduction. They honestly do. It'll go a long way, and it definitely goes a long way when it comes to pleasing a person, male or female. And there's nothing wrong with Lauren pleasing Wayne with food because that was one of the most things he needed was a person to cook for him to feed him. Anyway, until next time, y'all, I'm up out of here.